Municipalities get SP approval on supplemental budget. Pangasinan sees economic boom in extended runway. And fire destroys the Gupan City School. I'm EJ Dangla. Good evening. The Sangguniang Panlalawigan, through the Committee on Laws and Ordinances, has approved the supplemental budget of various municipalities of Pangasinan. Among them are the municipalities of Mabini with 3.8 million pesos, Sual with 6.3 million pesos, Basista with 2.1 million pesos, and Alcala with 1.9 million pesos. In a committee hearing yesterday afternoon at the Sangguniang Panlalawigan Session Hall, councilors and budget officers of the aforementioned municipalities appeared before the committee headed by 4th District Board Member Mohamito Libunao. The provincial government of Pangasinan expects economic development as the plan to extend Lingayen Airport's runway is about to be realized. On August 23rd, during a special session of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, the board members have approved a resolution that will allow Governor Amado T. Espina Jr. to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the owners of lots adjacent to the airport. Some portion of their lots will be purchased by the provincial government. The expansion program will include the development of about 455.23-meter runway extension that will accommodate commercial flights. At present, the runway stretches 1.17 kilometers. Soon, it will be 1.63 kilometers. Provincial Administrator Rafael Howard Baraan says the extended runway will allow flights from Manila going to or from various destinations like Hong Kong, Taipei, and other places. 6 classrooms of the West Central Elementary School 1 in the Gupan City were raised in a fire that broke out at about 1:45 a.m. Monday. Chief Inspector Ferdinand Formacion, Chief of the Bureau of Fire Protection, said the fire was due to a faulty electrical wiring. He added that another partially burned classroom may also not be used at the moment. The school rooms were old and made of light materials, which was why fire spread quickly. Gloria Torres, the Gupan Schools Division Superintendent, said despite the fire, classes on Monday for grade 4 pupils and those enrolled in special education class are still on, as there are still enough rooms in the school where they could be accommodated. Estimate on damages are still being assessed. Last Friday, Pangasinenses braved the long lines just to file their application for the civil service examinations next month. Mayan Garcia reports.
Many Pangasinenses have lined up to meet the deadline of application for the civil service examination on October 13, 2013. Many of them did not mind the long and slow process of the application. Some of them even filed a leave of absence from their work just to go to the Civil Service Commission office on the Capitol compound in Lingayen. The said application for the CSC exams started on April 15. This examination, being held twice a year, is for those who are aspiring to enter into government offices and have their eligibility. The venue of the examination will be Pangasinan National High School for professional level and Pangasinan State University for sub-professional, both in Lingayen. Results shall be announced 45 days after the examination. Mayan Garcia, Pangasinan Watch.
Pregnant women from the 6 eastern towns of Pangasinan have attended the Buntis Congress on August 30th at Rosales Gym in Rosales Town. With more than 200 participants in a family way, the convention rolled out from Rosales to its neighboring towns of Villasis, Santa Maria, Santo Tomas, San Quintin, and Balungao. Provincial Health Officer Dr. Ana de Guzman said that a significant event aimed to encourage all pregnant women to give birth in a hospital and avail of the health and safety services necessary. Governor Amado T. Espina Jr. had often expressed that no woman should die while giving birth, as his government aims for zero maternal health in the province. He added the resolution that every pregnant woman should give birth in a birthing facility. The Congress was the fourth to be conducted by the Provincial Health Office since last year. It also paved the way for the unveiling of an audiovisual presentation that will be telecast at local cable stations and at waiting areas at the provincial government-owned hospitals. Physicians from Philippine Obstetrical and Gynecological Society, or POGS, performed ultrasound on mothers diagnosed to have high-risk pregnancies, while medical technologists from the PHO and other government hospitals and Philippine Red Cross performed laboratory tests like blood typing, urinalysis, and hematocrit. The participants also underwent oral prophylaxis performed by dentists from the Eastern Pangasinan District Hospital and personnel from the Rural Health Unit of Balungao and PHO. And that was today's latest news and information in the province of Pangasinan. I'm EJ Dangla, and this is Pangasinan Watch of Talk TV Global, broadcasting from Pangasinan to the world.